Coming up to the tram house. Oh, there it is. Zoom in on it there. Got a little bit of a hike to get up to us for the Buckhorns. It's about 2 stories tall. You see the tram line running all the way down. Got that tram there. A couple, there's another one there. A little shaky. But it just goes all the way down to the valley. There's the 4-wheelers. So you can see some of the interesting engineering that they used to put this together. Up top here, you see the rails running into this top station. I'm about to go inside and check out what we can find inside. Here we are inside the tram house. As you can see, it's just falling apart. There's a lot of old equipment left in here still. Nice to see. The floor is giving out. Be careful where I stand here and kind of stand on the supports. It's an interesting piece of equipment here. Looks like a gear assembly with a transmission transfer box there. And on this pole, it reads John Skinner. John Skinner was up here. There's grease and he wrote it in with his finger. Yeah, I find this interesting down here. Yeah. Some ash up like that before. Here it says VAR, V-A-R, on a vario rule. Hard to tell. Some writing on this wheel also. Lawrence, Kelly, 95. Here, Alan 2000, Kevin, Todd, Jess, Brandy G. See some of the workings in here. See if we can't work our way to this building up here. This looks to be an horseshoe. Or bin. Horseshoe. Very likely. I'm gonna get up there before we have to come up from the top. Yeah, we can take a peek inside right here. It's all frozen. It's cold up here. Yeah, as you can see, it's over there. It's just a big ore bin. Probably no need to go up there. So we're north to the side of it now. Should be nothing. So now we'll go out so you can see how the water just pounded that. stress points up there.
It's in the air for you and me.
More writing. Says Spelunker. Cody.
Discovered by Madame Curie. Radioactivity.
Yeah. Tram house is falling. There's not much life left on it, that's for sure. Roof. Yeah, the only place where the roof still is where this big equipment is. That'll be the last thing we got. He's playing with his pants. Jacket. Okay. Got some old fabric here. Heavy bar. It's like a gunny sack. There's another one there. Probably ore sacks. Well, that's the tram house.
Pretty freaking cool.
Not bad at all.
So the ore bin over here is where they load the carts, and the carts would come up on this side, and they'd load them here, and they'd come around this track that's all fallen down, and then go back down the mountain. Kind of like a ski lift.
Yeah, very much like a ski lift. They follow this here track all the way out, and it looks like the cable's gone now, obviously, but you just drop it down. So yeah, very much like a ski lift. Tim, Todd, and Geo, Rich, 998. Yeah, not too bad, but there's still a lot. Yeah. Yeah, it would. Yeah, I'm sure it did. Well, we were once talking with a person who's working on the museum down in Ophir, and he was saying that every day a lot of the workers would hike all the way up here. It's a long, long hike. Very steep, very rocky, very hard to hike. So that may have been before this tram house came in, I'm not sure. There's a piece of a dynamite box right there. Not sure what it's doing there, but it's up there. You see it? Right up in here. Yeah, right there. Yeah.
It's in the air for you and me.
And how much life left in any of this? Oh, I don't know. I wouldn't be surprised. Lizard Lee. John Skinner has been everywhere up here.